To set up Do Not Disturb mode on Honor 600, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to navigate in the sound and haptics options, and then we'll be able to find Do Not Disturb mode. Inside we can see all of the settings, and first option is obviously the one that allows you to enable or disable it, and then there's schedules, which allows you to set up a specific time when Do Not Disturb mode will be active automatically. For example, here I have a schedule. We can enable or disable it, and we can add the custom ones with the button. Then there's allowed interruptions, so the things that will go through even when you have Do Not Disturb mode. You can go for calls and select specific contact groups that will be able to reach you even in Do Not Disturb mode, or you can select none, that way nobody else will be able to call you. Repeated callers, when active, will basically make a call go through when somebody tries to call you multiple times, for example 2 times in a span of 15 minutes. Then there's messages, and it's the same thing. You can manage which messages will be able to interrupt you. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.